Hello, I'm John Kitchen. Thanks for watching my About Me video, and thanks for joining my blog on technology and how it can help improve our lives both at home as well as at work. I'd like to just start some background information about me first. My electronic endeavor started when I was probably around 8. My father noticed I was highly interested in gadgets and electronics, and he actually went to Radio Shack, bought me some electrical instruction books as well as some kits, including a electric multimeter kit which he helped me assemble. And from there it pretty much all just started in his garage. But I have to be honest, at that age I probably tore more things apart than I ever put back together or ever even made. I began learning about computers in junior high and high school at my private school I was going to. I helped them with a lot of different computer programs, music programs, using MIDI devices connected to the computer. At that time, that was when Windows 3.11 was the greatest thing, and I still remember doing the upgrades from Windows 3.11 to Windows 95 on 35 3.5-inch floppy disks. It was like an all-day process. After high school, I just decided to go join the workforce, and I worked for a couple different companies, fast food, security, technology, doing different jobs from supervising to managing. And I just decided that it wasn't enough. I really wasn't getting anywhere, so at that point I decided to join the Navy. I signed up for the Navy in late 2001, a couple months after September 11th, and I actually left for boot camp in May of 2002. I enlisted as a nuclear electrician's mate and served 6 years. I spent about 3 of those years on the aircraft carrier, the USS Harry S. Truman, working on and operating a couple different nuclear reactors located on the aircraft carrier. In 2008, just before the economy crashed, I decided to leave the Navy to spend more time at home and be with the family. I joined Alcoa shortly after I left, and I've been working with Alcoa for the last 7 years as a control room operator, supporting the operations of their coal-fired power plant located in southern Indiana. In 2011, I decided to go back to school and get my bachelor's degree. I chose to go to Thomas Edison. They had a nuclear program. It was actually nuclear energy engineering technology that they took a lot of my credits from my nuclear training in the Navy and applied it towards my degree. I completed my bachelor's in 2013 and immediately began a master's program. And I am actually almost done with my master's program. It's an executive master's of business administration from the University of Nevada, Reno, and I'm very excited. Welcome to my workbench. This is where I do most of my electronic creation and fabricating. I've got a bunch of different electronic parts and components in my different bins and containers. I usually like to try and keep things clean, and these really help organize and keep the workbench clean. Anyways, I've got a bunch of tools here, all my electronic tools, multimeter, soldering iron, hot work station, a couple different breadboards, solderless breadboards. They're kind of a must for anybody that's in the electronics hobby. It allows you to actually put in and take out components very easily, well, relatively easily, without having to solder them in place and ruin testing circuit boards and different things like that. This is one that I actually kind of created. I mounted an Arduino Mega on it, and I've got a couple different components there, so I can actually connect everything and test it out right here on this board without ever really having to solder anything. Makes it a lot quicker to try and prototype and develop. Figured out different. Throw in my first project in here. This is my compressor controller I've been working on. It is currently functional, but it's not complete. Want to add a couple things to it. Right now you can see my LCD display is working. It's reading the current pressure, the set point for when the compressor turns on and shuts off, as well as the temperature and humidity inside of the box. And there we have it. We're at 130 pounds. And the compressor shut off just like it's supposed to. Thanks for watching my video, and please follow me and join me for some more tutorials and information. Thanks.